Karuna. So it was a great meeting with you, knowing you, your finances, and your current situation, assets and liabilities. So, how was your experience from the meeting one-to-one we had? Yeah.
Yes, I want to say thank you, Shyam, because there was a lot of burden, was not understanding how to, start becoming financially, stable. So yes, a lot of understanding I have got, like where, how I have to be spending my money, how I have to deal with it. And along with the suggestions what you have given me, I think add-ons what you actually explained me now has helped me a lot. And I would recommend you for for if anyone needs any financial consultation, I would definitely refer you, because I am relieved currently and I'm feeling happy. Basically, I feel like peace mind. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Karina, for your wonderful words, and looking forward to see you financially free as soon as possible. Thank you very much.
Sure.